Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So, today we are going to start with the English literature. As you can see, the book on the screen, New Mulberry for class 3rd. This is the book which we are going to read for English literature. Okay? Please open out this book on page number 15. Please open out this book on page number 15. We are going to read the very first chapter, Going to the Fair. But before that, I want to explain what literature is. So, what do you understand by English literature? Okay, English literature means, it refers to the study of text, text, you can say books. Okay, so it refers to the study of text from around the world written in English language. It is the study of the text, and in those texts we read, stories and poems from around the world written in English language. Okay, so next is we are going to read chapter 1, Going to the Fair, written by E.B. White. And I want you to know about the characters which are included in this chapter. First of all, what are characters? Characters are persons in a novel, story, play or film. Okay, like beta, if we are, if we watch a cartoon show, there are certain people who are playing certain characters. ठीक है, तो characters means beta the person who are playing a role in a novel, in a drama, in a film or in a story. Okay, so these are the characters. And here in this chapter, if I talk about, there are four main character. First one is Mr. and Mrs. Arable, okay, parents. And then Fern and Avery. Okay, Fern is Fern is the name of the girl, and Avery is the name of the boy, her brother. Okay, so now I am going to start with the story. Okay, so first of all, I am going to tell you a little bit about the story, that how a family had decided, the family of Mr. and Mrs. Arable. Okay, how they have decided to go to the fair, and how much they are going to enjoy, and what they are going to learn during their visit to the fair, especially Fern and Every. If we talk about what they are going to learn, or what they have learned during that visit to the fair. But before that, we are going to do, and I want you to do this small activity. Given below are groups of words. Name one place or event where you would find all that is listed in each group. One has been done for you. Okay, so this is a fun activity here which is given. They have given us some of the clues, and I have done all for you so that you can enjoy that, where you are going to find these particular things. Pots and pans, a stove, a waste bin, a sink. Where you can find all of these things in a kitchen. Cakes, pastries, breads, biscuits, ovens, where you are going to find all of these things in a bakery. Cows, goats, hens, fields, a well, and a fence in a farm. Food and craft stalls, the Ferris wheels, music, games, crowds, where you are going to, watch all of these things, where you are going to find all of these things, in a fair. So this is a very simple activity that you can write down, or that you can do on your book also. Now I am going to start finally with the reading of the chapter. Okay, so Fern and her brother Avery live on a farm. Farm means an area of land and its building. Okay, so Fern and her brother Avery live on a farm with their parents, Mrs. and Mr. Rabel. Okay, both the children, were living with their, parents. Both Fern and Avery are very fond of means, but they, they love animals too much. They like animals too much, which, the animals that they raise on the farm, they were taking care, in their on their farm, or the animals which were growing, in their farm. So they like those animals too much. They were very much fond of those animals which were, there on the farm. One day Fern and Avery visit the fair with their parents, and one day beta they visit the fair with their parents. Let's read about their day, and now we are going to read about that particular day when they, when they go to the fair. Okay, so let's start. The night before the fair, okay, when they, when they came to know that they are going to visit the fair, obviously beta, if we come to know that, we are going to the fair next day, we also feel excited. Okay, so same thing happens with them also, with Fern and Avery. When they got to know that they are going to visit the fair, the night before the fair, everybody went to bed early. Everybody slept early because they have to, wake up early, and they have to go for the visit. They have to go for the, fair. Every lay dreaming, every lie dreaming, or is, you can say, sleep dreaming, thinking. Okay, dreaming means thinking, you can say, or daydreaming, you can say, or only you can say, means he was having dreams ki kya hoga. Okay, so every lay dreaming that the Ferris wheel had stopped, and that he was in the top car. Okay, so he was thinking bache that he was on the Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel is a very big swing. Okay, so Ferris wheel had stopped, and he was in the top car, and जो वो फेरिस व्हील था that stopped while running, and he was in the top car, and he was dreaming like this. And Fern lay dreaming that she was on the swings, and Fern was thinking that she was on the swings. So both the children were dreaming. Okay, the both the children, dream about what they, what would happen when they will be in the fair. So they were dreaming only. Okay, so finally, when they pulled into the fairground, okay, when they arrived into the fairgrounds, okay, fairground means open area where fairs are held, okay, it is an open area where fairs are organized, where fairs are held. So when they finally arrived there, the next morning they could hear the music, okay, as soon as they enter the fair, they could hear the music and see the fairies wheel turning in the sky. And they can, see, because fairies wheel, very well, as you seen in the picture, just now, that fairies wheel are very big. Okay, so as soon as they entered the fairgrounds, they could hear the music, and they could see the fairies wheel, turning or moving in the sky. And now, page number 16, they could smell the dust. Okay, now they are, telling, they are sharing what they have, experienced, or what they have, seen when they entered the fair. First and foremost, they heard the music, and they saw the fairies wheel turning in the sky. Next, they could, smell the dust, and they could smell burgers frying. Okay, burgers, very well, eatable thing. And they could see, balloons aloft. They could see the balloons were, were high up in the sky. Okay, and aloft means high up. And they could hear flocks means groups of sheep. Okay, groups of sheep bleating means beta, the meaning is given, crying sound of sheep or goat. Okay, so they could hear flocks of sheep bleating in their pens means house. ओके जो उनके फार्म्स बने होते हैं रहने के लिए शीप के या गॉड्स के, उनको पेन्स बोलते हैं. ओके, सो दे कुड हेयर फ्लॉक्स ऑफ शीप ब्लीटिंग इन देयर पेन्स. ओके, सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग दे हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड व्हेन दे एंटर्ड द फेयर. ओके, फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट बेटा they have they have heard the music, then they have seen the Ferris wheel, they could smell the dust, they could smell the burgers frying, they could see the balloons high up in the sky, and they could hear flocks of sheep crying or making noise in their pens in their houses. Next beta, as soon as they saw all of these things, Fern asked, can I have some money? Okay, she asked from her parents, can I have some money? Can I too, asked Every, and the same question was asked by Every also, that I can I too have some money? Okay, I am now, they are just describing what they are going to do with that money, or how they are going to enjoy with that money. I am going to win a doll by spinning a wheel. Spinning a wheel means turning a wheel. Okay, there are certain games which we can play, or there are certain things which we can win by turning the wheels. Okay, so Fern said that I am going to win a doll by spinning a wheel, and it will stop by the right number. And I want the doll, I want to win the doll, and the wheel is also going to stop at the right number, said Fern. I am going to stir a jet plane. Stir means beta drive. जेट प्लेन, जो टॉय प्लेन बना हुआ था वहाँ पे, तो ही इज़ गोइंग टू ड्राइव अ जेट प्लेन एंड बम्प इट इनटू अनदर वन. बम्प मीन्स बेटा क्रैश और हिट इनटू अनदर वन. लाइक सो मेनी चिल्ड्रन आर ड्राइविंग दोज जेट प्लेन्स, एंड Every was saying that I am going to drive a jet plane and I am going to crash and hit into another one, said Every. Can I buy a balloon, asked Fern. And beta, they demanding so many things. First they have asked for the money, and then they are telling what they are going to do. Fern wants to win a doll by spinning a wheel, and Every wanted to Every was going to stir a jet plane and going to hit it into another one. And then beta, Fern said that, can I buy a balloon? And then Every said, beta, can I buy a frozen custard? Frozen custard means ice cream. And a cheeseburger and a balloon, asked Every. So they were demanding all of these things. And next beta, Mrs. Rebel. What Mrs. Rebel said, you children be quiet. Quiet means beta silent till we get the animals unloaded, said Mrs. Rebel. Okay, so beta, Mr. and Mrs. Rebel had animals with them, the animals that they were raising on the farm. So wo animals they have brought with them also during this fair. Okay, so Mrs. Rebel beta, because they were demanding so many things, so to make them quiet, Mrs. Rebel told them that be silent till we get the animals unloaded. Unloaded means beta to remove the load from, or to put down something from a vehicle. ठीक है, जब तक हम ये एनिमल्स को अनलोड नहीं कर लेते, till that time you must be quiet, or you must be silent. Okay, so we are going to read the chapter till here, but rest of the chapter we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, so the simple thing, beta, the simple, the chapter was very simple, that how a family had decided to go for a visit, and how the children have reacted when they reached a fair, and what were their demands. All of these things we have read, and I'm going to send you some of the MCQs beta based on this, and please try to solve them. Okay, try to solve them on your rough notebook. Okay, so I hope I have cleared your doubts till here, and please write down all the meanings that I have explained, or that I have written here. Please write down all the meanings. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.